My name is Enrico Krogh Iversen. I'm the CEO of Universal Robots, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to program the third generation of our robotic arms. If I turn this, you can see the little black button here. If I activate this, then the robot actually goes into like a zero gravity mode, and I can just take the robot and show it where I want it to go. And then we just hit play, and I'm just going to turn on the graphic screen so you can also see that on the screen where the robot is going to move. So that's quite easy and fast way of programming compared to traditional robots. Yes. Third one.
Yeah. Oh, very close.
Yeah. And then play. Play again.
Play.
Yes.
There you go.
Perfect.
Nice.
Probably run into me now, and then it will just activate a protective stop here when it feels that I'm in the way. So that's a nice little friend here. It won't hurt me.